Let me show you how you guys can ship on Facebook Marketplace using Amazon. You need to click on Marketplace at the bottom, and from here click on Sell. And from here choose the item you're selling. I will just go for items, and over here list all the detail of your items and click on publish at the top. Once you do that and once you get orders, Facebook will send you a notification that hey, this person sent an order, this is his location. After you get that, you can use it to deliver it yourself or use Amazon to send the package. There's no way you can connect like Facebook and Amazon, so you get order, Facebook sends that order to Amazon, Amazon ships it. No, Facebook and Amazon are two different companies. So you need to get the location and order from Facebook and then provide it to a third-party website or any company like delivery company, and they'll deliver it. Facebook does not deliver. You can only turn on delivery option is on for this, and Facebook will just notify the person, hey, they can deliver this product. And once you get the notification, you can just send it and you can sell it, ship it yourself. Facebook itself does not ship anything. All right. So hope you understand how to ship on Facebook Marketplace using Amazon. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.